C247 Nutraceuticals is a breakthrough product from Nature's Way, has used its proprietary manufacturing processes allowing all ingredients to deliver to the highest level of antioxidants and phytonutrients. It has over 22,000 phytonutrients and a very high REC value. C247 Nutraceuticals is approved as halal by the Muslims and kosher by the Jews. It is 100% excipient-free and the material used for encapsulating complete is also made from vegetables, vegetarian capsules or caps. C247 Nutraceuticals utilizes nanotechnology, phytoalkaloid, for faster absorption, and Synatech, for a synergistic boost. C247 contains all ingredients of complete phytoenergizer, 29 vitamins and minerals, trace minerals, 12 whole fruit juice blend, 12 whole vegetable juice blend, 12 mushrooms, 12 herbs specialty nutrients, 12 digestive enzymes, 10 essential fatty acids, 14 green foods spirulina blend, 18 amino acids, 5 anti-aging antioxidant enhancer, 4 longevity polyphenols, megaresveratrol blend. Why take C247 Nutraceuticals? Promotes longevity, lowers cholesterol level, protects against heart diseases and complications, helps prevent cancer of any origin, controls high blood pressure, controls blood sugar, enhances and balances the metabolism, prevents degenerative diseases like arthritis, enhances, nourishes, strengthens and balances the immune system, increases the production of inherent glutathione in our body, rejuvenates the skin, regenerates liver cells, promotes healthy blood circulation, detoxifies the body, reduces fatigue, depression and anxiety, enhances sexual vitality.